Yeah, I'm gonna replace these stair treads. Hopefully I can do a better job than the last guy. Look at this gap. Oh. See what we can do. This one's cracked. So I'm just gonna rip them all out and replace them. Of course, the guy did this nonsense with the paneling, so I'm gonna have to cut these off. See what we can do. Finish this basement. Yeah, you use 3/4 inch. I'll show you what I'm using. This room's almost done. Of course, there's stuff in here already. Toilet's working great, sink's working great. Probably gotta do a little cleaning, a little touching up on a few things. But I wanna try to get this done, the ceiling. Gotta get the ceiling put back in. It's the old ceiling, of course. The new pieces do not match up with the old pieces. Of course, they want you to rip the whole ceiling out and redo it. It's all about profit. But there's no money in the budget for that, so we're sticking with the old ceiling. I just gotta trim them to fit. It is what it is. I'm gonna go back with these bad boys. 1 inch. I already pre-primed them. That's gonna be the finished color too. Got 12 of them to do. Let's get it.
Alright, the treads are in for the win. Now I just have to fix the holes, sand them down, and put 2 finish coats on. Alright, let's fix the holes.
Don't show anybody my tricks. Just kidding. Let's prime it up a little bit. Little Bondo spreader. Let's hit them up. Get a little primer action going. Do the hammer. This works way better than a putty knife. Way better.
Let's color prime the sides. Very thirsty. Just want to get a coat on these. Already did them, had to lay on the floor because we got to cut the bottom. Get yourself a good brush. Good brush. You get a cheap brush, good luck. Masking tape is like $5, $10. Take that money and buy a decent brush. Now since I'm cutting these are kind of a circus, so I wipe all sides. Let's get this one first. So you're gonna get on there, catch it. I didn't catch it and go. Don't get it on the wall. That's a different color. Bam. Very simple. But you need a good brush. You get a junk brush, I don't know what to tell you. Can't help you. Look at that, I wiped all sides and still I was able to coat this. And we gotta try to get in this back here. which is going to be a circle. Wipe all sides. Working in there. All right, let's do the next one. Catch it and go. Don't be scared, just get it. Why would you spend all that time playing with masking tape? Doesn't make any sense. Masking tape is for spraying. So this is just primer. I'm gonna have to do it again. Wipe all sides. Keep you from having an accident. Come on. See, the more expensive brushes have the soft bristles. They hold more paint. They can flex. Cheap brushes, good luck. It's like trying to paint with toothpicks. Good luck. Just had an accident. Get it off. I'm probably gonna paint this again anyway. Gotta get all this dust off, but still try to get it off. I'm waiting for this to dry so I can sand it. Probably tomorrow. Catch it. I didn't get it yet. There you go. Catch it and go. This paint's brutal. Look, I'm flopping it all over the place. Just get it off. It's easier to get it off now than later. Work your nice brush in there. Probably don't have enough paint on here. Catch it and go. If you're going to use masking tape's designed to pull off right away. We're not leaving it for 10 years and the next guy can't get it off. Can't tell you how many jobs I went on like that. Masking tape from 10, 20 years ago. Can't even get it off the wall. Crazy. Come on. Get in there. All right. Won't get in there for some reason. Get in there, buddy. I'm gonna have to sit down for this one. Sometimes you gotta get a little tiny artist brush to do this stuff. Just can't get that little bit. Have to get it on the next coat. Yes, I did all these to show you. Yes, I laid on the floor and did them. Alright, so now I just need the wood putty to dry overnight. So I'll probably do a separate video of me sanding and repainting these, the whole staircase. Probably do a different video tomorrow. Trying to get this done.